Okay, this is a video about the stretch command. So the stretch command, the keyboard command is letter S, spacebar. Now, when I first used this, I had issues with determining how to use this. And I would go and select, and I want to stretch, these three lines a certain way. And so I would start here and select here. Hit the space bar and I go stretch, and I'm only stretching things that I don't want stretched. So here's the problem with stretching, and I wouldn't say problem, but the selection tool you use matters. Anything that resides in the blue box gets selected. Anything this box, the left side of this box, cross its path will get selected. So that's the one you're supposed to use. And I want to stretch this bed 12 inches. And there you go. And actually, let's undo that. I want to stretch this bed for a foot, but I'm going to do 6 inches this way, and then do it again. 6 inches this way. And there you have it. Make sure when you use selection tool, you use the one with the green box, because it's literally cutting through this line, and this line when you select using the green box. And that's what you want, because you want to stretch these three lines and nothing else. And so that's the stretch command.